Welcome to A Pen and a Plan. I'm so excited to be here with you today. This week we're going to decorate my Thanksgiving week in my planner with a Planning by Shannon kit called Autumn Comfort. I love the holidays, and Thanksgiving is a good mix of fall colors and also just a reason to reflect and be grateful. So thanks for being here with me. Let's go get started. This is the slicer, and it works awesome. It also helps save me a little bit of wash, as my mom pointed out, because now I don't have to go clear to the top of the page. I can just line it up with where I want it and trim and cut and move on. My ideal Thanksgiving meal would probably be sweet potatoes and mashed potatoes and maybe some green beans. And that's about it. I like the potatoes. My dad makes super creamy mashed potatoes, and my mom makes super sweet potatoes. So I went to my first planner meetup last week, which was super fun and awesome, and I was feeling really brave because I would never have done that before, but this planner community has given me a lot of extra confidence. So they had a couple freebies that they were handing out amongst all of us, and these were a couple of them, so I'm excited because I can use them on my Thanksgiving spread. This is just a piece of cardstock that's really pretty, and so I'm going to put that in probably down here in the space of infinite possibility. But I'm going to use this thankful sticker over here for my quotes. I'm not quite sure where I want to put this. for planning with me today. It was a lot of fun to do a holiday spread and just a fun fall spread as well, because it's just a really laid back week. I love Thanksgiving because you're able to just kick back and relax and enjoy your good food with your friends and family, and I hope you can find lots of things to be grateful for. I know I'm grateful for you guys and for the support that you have given me over the year for my planner journey, and I'm excited to see where this all goes. So feel free to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also leave a comment, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.